BlackRock and Fidelity are making huge waves in crypto right now. And in this video, we're going to break it down exactly what's going on. The big movers and shakers in this market are going to dictate, in my opinion, where this market goes as we enter quarter number 4. We're expecting to see rate cuts. We're expecting to see ETFs. We're expecting institutional adoption to increase and the institutions to continue to push this market higher. So smash the like button, subscribe down below if you haven't already. Let's dive into it, guys. We are going to jump right in and get you going ready here, right here on the channel. So if you guys haven't signed up for the free newsletter, also do that right now, guys. It is totally free, tons of great alpha. Sign up. There's a link at the top of the description. Name and emails, all we need, and get ready because we've got some amazing stuff coming your way. You definitely want to get on board. Guys, it's free. If you're not yet subscribed, we should get another 1,000 new subscribers on this right now. So if you want to build more wealth in crypto, get the free newsletter right now. Link down below in the description. Let's jump into it. There's a lot to get into here that I want to highlight. A lot to get into. Now, we know some of the big players already, where the institutional money is. Bitcoin, Ethereum. We're starting to see it with XRP, Solana. Some of these huge players. Ondo Finance, right? Athena. Athena's going to be one to watch. Some very interesting things happening with Athena right now with Donald Trump and BlackRock and some big players there. And I wanted to give you guys some, familiar faces, but also give you guys some things to think about a little bit further down the line, right? And so Athena's one. I'm going to give you another one here. It's called Redstone. Now, Redstone is ranked in the top 250. It's $180 million market cap. This is a very interesting, dare I say, potential value pick here, sitting here at 250. Now, you may want to ask why Redstone. Well, they're live on Solana right now. They're enabling tokenized assets like Apollo's Cred and BlackRock's BITUNIX to be used in DeFi, meaning they've got ties to BlackRock here, and you're sitting here less than a $200 million market cap. Now, I want you guys to do your own research on all of this as well. Like, don't take this verbatim. I just want to give you guys a bunch of alpha, give you guys a bunch of things to think about. This is what the big players, you got to make these connections, right? What the big players are doing. The exclusive Oracle partner for Securitize, that's Redstone. They deliver real-time NAV feeds for institutional traditional finance funds, including VanEck V-Bill, unlocking U.S. Treasury-backed assets across multiple chains. This is a big sleeper, in my opinion, Redstone, okay? So definitely keep your eyes on this player right here. Another ticker that I want to mention is Axelar, AXL, ranked 156, sitting here at 32 cents, down 87% from all-time highs. And, if you just put in here how AXL crypto is tied to the institutions, you'll see what I'm talking about here. This is beautiful, by the way. And this is how I want you to kind of go about your research, right? Crypto.com custody partnership with Axelar. This is huge. White paper collab with major financial institutions. We're talking about Axelar releasing a white paper on institutional interoperability co-authored with Citibank, Deutsche Bank, MasterCard, Northern Trust, Centrifuge. The report highlights tokenized assets and emphasizes Axelar's role in bridging blockchains for regulated entities. Okay? Again, follow the big money right now in crypto. Okay, so here's another one. How is Velo tied in with the institutions? Wait till you see this. And Velo is a much smaller market cap too. Velo's sitting here ranked 178. And shout out to some people in our community, man, in our Crypto Breakfast Club. Velo is 99% down from all-time highs. It's at 207. It's sitting at 1 cent. Now, Velo has secured investments from heavy hitters, Southeast Asia's largest conglomerate, CP Group, Hashkey, Velo Labs integrated BlackRock's tokenized USD institutional digital liquidity fund, BITUNIX. Okay, so Velo's another one you've got to pay close attention to. These are smaller market caps. This is 253 mil market cap, but this thing was massive back in 2021 at $2.07. We got news earlier. Look at Stellar's post. Look who's in the Financial Times today. And if you zoom out, look at this picture. You've got Chainlink on here, Solana, Stellar. These are big players, guys. These are big players. This is where this is where I'm focusing my attention. We got news out from Ondo today. Look at this. Check this out. We're proud to share that Ondo Finance's OUSG fund is the sole anchor and largest investor in Fidelity's new tokenized fund. Fidelity's entry marks another major milestone in the institutional embrace of tokenization. Ondo's tied in with all the big players: Fidelity, BlackRock, JP Morgan Chase. Now, there's more. I'll give you another one. There's another crypto out there called Ziggchain. So why Ziggchain is a crypto gem. And if you look at this, this is really fascinating as well. Built for wealth generation, not just speed. It's designed as a layer 1 blockchain. Okay, they've got institutional grade RWA integration. They've got an Apex Group partnership, which was on that list, by the way, that was in Forbes, leveraging 3.4 trillion asset manager to tokenize regulated funds and real estate assets. And they got a $5 billion RWA pipeline, including real estate tokenization with Ellington Properties. Ziggchain is another one, very, very undervalued, in my opinion. There's a lot of these players, guys, and I'm going to continue to be on the hunt for all of these for you guys. And you'll see a lot of this stuff when you sign up for the free newsletter. So I'm not going to give it all to you in these videos, right? Sign up for the free newsletter. You're going to be getting a bunch of stuff this way as well. But hopefully you guys had a notebook out. I gave you a lot to think about in this video. I will give you one more. So I gave you AXL, I gave you Ziggchain, I gave you Velo, Redstone, Athena. I'll give you one more. IXS. IXS. Now, this is a very, very small market cap. IXS. So if we look at this, why IXS crypto could be undervalued. IXS crypto. Here you go. Institutional grade RWA platform. Through its integration with Line, Asia's super app, reaching over 200 million users, IXS dramatically expands RWA adoption across Japan, Taiwan, and Thailand. And they're sitting here, guys, at a $19 million market cap. All right. So I'm giving you a lot to think about. I know that, but I think the institutional big push is coming. We're getting closer and closer to that big day where things break loose for altcoins. And I think it's going to be an RWA institutionally grade focused bull run, in my opinion. Where the institutional money goes, that's where I want to go right now. And let me know all your thoughts down below in the comment section. Don't forget to sign up for the free newsletter. Do that right now. First link at the top of the description. I'll pin it as the top comment too for you so you can't miss it. Appreciate you all for watching. We'll see you in the next video.